go to a horse show. Brushing. Now this girl is filming me, so I jabbed these braids. They are not really itchy, but Mom said I have to have them. Now she went to fill a bag of this. My hater EPC. I'm a big bat. Now she went to the dot room where all my things are, and she got this lick thing I love. She was sneaky, so she opened it and looked what's inside. Here I'm enjoying and Dot licking this rare yummy box. Now she is filming me, again, but I'm cute so I don't understand. Now she went to fill up more hay. Now I'm going to the car thing where they drive me. I'm all tucked in and ready to beat some jerk. Here I'm being a nice lady. A whole jump scare. Now she is walking with hay. We are home now. Bye-bye.